Straight and to the point. We love that, right? Right. Greetings, friends, and welcome to another video. My name is Brittany. If you've never been here before, hello, hi, welcome to what we have going on here. Today's video, as I'm sure you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July. It is July. Please tell me how that happened so quickly. I mean, I guess we're all in the same boat here, but how, why, how dare you, and I do not appreciate that. Anyway, if you do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service where each month they take 25 bucks from your account and they send this beautiful box to your home or your office or your just wherever you receive mail, and it has 4 to 5 usually full-size products for you to test and try and love. So I'll leave all the information down below in case you're wanting to sign up, but I'm sure if you are here, you do have Boxycharm and you're here for the spoilers. So real quick, before I show you those spoilers, please join the Brat Pack by subscribing and hitting the bell. I put out new videos every week and I would love to have you here because I'd love to hang out with you. Now I think it's time that we stop talking about it and start being about it and just get into this box. What do you think? Cool? Cool, let's do it. Real quickly, look at that reveal. No! So the first thing in the box is obviously gonna be the card. It has all the information on the back, the products, the prices, all that jazz. So we can refer to it later in case I'm confused by what any of these things are, but I doubt I will be because it's makeup stuff. I know makeup stuff. So the first thing in the box is from the brand The Creme shop. It is their next gen blender set, and this retails for $22. It is just 2 face blenders. One is like the normal beauty blender type shape with like the flat side, which I actually like a lot. I have one in the shape that I enjoy. And this other one's kind of a weird shape. Let me just open it. You guys want to see it? I'll show it to you. Ooh, these are soft as shit. So we have the normal like beauty blender type sponge, and then this is the one that's like the weird shape. Do you see that? I can't put it up too far forward because my autofocus is ass bananas, but it's like flat and then flat and then flat. These feel super soft, bro. Like, I want a pillow made out of just these sponges. Anyway, they're sponges, makeup sponges. Which are a thing that I love to get in subscription services because they're a thing that I hate to buy because it's expensive and pointless and it makes me upset. So 22 bucks that I didn't have to spend. That's basically the price of the box. Moving on. Okay, so the next thing in the box is from a brand I've never even heard of. This is the Clean Skin Club, and it's their Vitamin C Brightening Booster, and it retails for $49.95. It says it has watermelon, green tea, and pineapple, and it is cruelty-free, because if you did not know, I'm a cruelty-free YouTuber. I know I've got some new people here. Hello, welcome. I guess the true crime videos are a good thing so far. In case you are new, true crime's a new thing I'm doing. Anyway, moving on. Vitamin C booster. I actually don't have any vitamin C right now, and I'm really excited to give this a try because I loved my Drunk Elephant one, but like it was expensive and like there's a pandemic and I haven't worked in a minute. So I'm very happy to get this. Thanks Boxycharm. Thanks for restocking the things that I need. Thanks. Okay, so the next thing in the box is from a brand that I don't think I've ever used before. It's Studio Makeup, and it's their Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. This retails for $25. It looks like it's one of those little Stila numbers, and this is in the shade Gold. Let's give you a little swatch here. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. I'm not gonna lie, that's really pretty. I don't usually use a lot of liquid shadows like on my eye, like my lids, but I love the shimmery ones for the inner corner. Like right now I have that one from that J. Kissa collection. It's my go-to inner corner highlight always. But that's the shade right there, which is just gold. It's really pretty. 25 is a little rich for my blood, I'm not gonna lie to you. For like a single eyeshadow, unless it's something really special, because I did buy those Hourglass Shattered Lights single pot shadows. I know that some people got them in their box and rude, how dare you give me this instead of that, but I'm sure this is beautiful. I'm sorry, Studio Makeup. Oh cool, so the next thing in the box is from Alamar Cosmetics. You guys know that I like them. This is their Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. I guess they just had their 2-year birthday, which is crazy. I feel like that brand just came out, but apparently it's been 2 years and time is just relative and doesn't exist and it's just flying. I'm so old. Anyway, this is an Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss, which I don't have any other lip glosses, but I have their blush and I have their brush set, and I love them. Ooh. Smells like birthday cake. Let me just swatch it here. I've heard that the Alamar lip glosses are real thick and juicy, and you know what? This feels pretty thick. This color is really pretty. I could definitely see myself wearing it. I like the component. It kind of reminds me of those ones, those new ones from ColourPop that I like a lot, the Luxe ones. This seems to be thicker. It's like a pink with a bunch of glitter. I'm into it. And it retails for $15, which I'd probably actually spend that, but I'm happy that I don't have to because money's tight, y'all. Who can relate? Who? Okay, and the last thing in the box is from Ace Beauty, which I love Ace Beauty. I feel like they're pretty underrated. And this is their Bronzed in Paradise face palette. Okay. This here retails for $30. And this is the palette right here. I will say that a lot of these shades would be a little dark for me on the face. I think I could probably swing with these two. I'd probably be most inclined to use this one just because I go with like a natural bronzer. That's the life I live. This color though, my God. Imagine that as an eyeshadow. Oh, you know what? Imagine all of these as an eyeshadow. I feel like I could use this as a neutral eyeshadow palette and love it, dude. I want these on my eyes. I really like neutrals. Today you would not guess that, but like neutrals are my shiv. Let me do the math and tell you how much this retails for, huh? Like total? Total? Pause. Okay, so I just did the math and the total retail value of the box this month is $141.95, which is quite a lot if I do say so myself, and I do say so myself. So yeah, that's it guys. It's cool. That's everything that I got in this box. It's a pretty good box. I think I would use every single item that's in there. So, I mean, is it the most exciting box we've ever received? Slow down. No. But is it practical? Hell yeah, I'll use all of those items. It's almost like a full face type situation. And I'm into it and I like it and I love Boxycharm and it's one of my favorite subscription services ever, as many of you probably know. And with that said, that completes this video. Thank you for hanging out with me. Please join the Brat Pack by hitting the bell and subscribing to my channel. I put out new videos every week. Lately, once a week, we've been doing a true crime get ready with me, like a get ready with me, but with murder, get ready with murder. And I'd love to have you here. It's been rewarding and all consuming, to be honest with you. But I'd love for you to hang out with me because it's a good time, I guess. Yeah. But anyways, guys, thanks for being here with me when you could literally be anywhere else on the internet. That's tight. I think you're tight. And I hope to see you in my next video.